Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Ldac codec for your PHILIPS Fidelio L4. You have to start by opening the application. Now make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone, and after that go to the settings. In the first line we have Ldac, so we should just click on this slider at the top. Click on it, now click OK. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. Okay, let me show you how to reconnect it. So we just should click on the connect here, and it swap to the settings, and as you can see we have it. So right here we have SBC, but if you go to the settings we can see after loading that we enabled Ldac. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!